Are you tired of dragging heavy vacuums around your home, battling pet hair and dust? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, LVAC 200 Cordless Vacuum. Let's kick things off with the LVAC Cordless Vacuum. Priced at $149.95, it caught my eye with its tangle-resistant design and impressive suction power, perfect for quick cleanups. If you want a lightweight vacuum that can handle carpet, hard floors, and pet hair effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The powerful suction is crucial for lifting stubborn dirt and pet hair, so you won't have to push harder or go over the same spot multiple times. Plus, the tangle-resistant feature really helps if you have pets that shed a lot. This matters for you specifically because nobody wants to waste time untangling hair from vacuum brushes after a cleaning session. Now, some people complained about the vacuum not being as powerful as traditional corded models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience and ease of use, this trade-off isn't a deal-breaker. It performs admirably for daily messes, which is what most people need. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that's lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. Skip this one if you have a large house with very high cleaning demands, as it may struggle with heavier debris. For its price, this vacuum gives you solid value for a cordless solution. Now, if the LVAC's limited power bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, iX141 Pet Cordless Vacuum. Next up, we have the iX141 Pet Cordless Vacuum. At $244.99, it's designed specifically for pet owners with features like LED headlights and a removable handheld vacuum. If you're tired of battling pet hair and need a tool that's tailored for that job, you should definitely keep listening. Its crevice tool and pet multi-tool are essential for reaching those tricky spots where pet hair likes to hide. The LED headlights help you see any hidden dirt, which honestly surprised me at how effective it was in dark corners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have pets and need to clean hair off furniture or in tight spaces, these features really enhance your cleaning experience. However, some users did mention that the vacuum feels a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing, though, if you're primarily using it for quick cleanups around pet areas, the weight won't be a major issue. The performance and convenience outweigh the slight heft. This is perfect for you if you have pets and want a vacuum designed to tackle their messes head-on. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter for quick daily cleanups. Given its price, it offers specialized features that justify the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who also want versatility. Product number 3, Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. Now let's talk about the Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum priced at $448. This one is on the higher end but offers a lot of bang for your buck with powerful suction and a variety of attachments. If you want top-notch performance and versatility, this is worth a serious look. With 115 AW suction power and up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime, this vacuum can handle both hard floors and carpets effortlessly. The ability to convert it to a handheld vacuum is a game changer for cleaning cars or upholstery, which many vacuums can't do. Plus, the hair screw tool is specially designed to suck up long hair and pet hair effectively without tangling. This matters for you specifically because it saves you time and hassle when cleaning up after your furry friends. However, the downside is that it can be a bit pricey. Some users feel that for an additional $100, they may not see a significant difference compared to lower-priced models. Here's my perspective. The quality, efficiency, and specialized features make it worth considering if you prioritize performance. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance vacuum that can do it all. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for something more basic. It's an investment, but it really pays off in terms of cleaning power. If you need a vacuum with even more features, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Uesogi X9 Turbo Cordless Vacuum. Next up is the Uesogi X9 Turbo Cordless Vacuum, priced at $199.99. It's packed with features that might just blow your mind, including a staggering 70-minute runtime and a unique hurricane mode for deep cleaning. If you want powerful suction and innovative features, this one deserves your attention. The hurricane mode is particularly impressive. It allows you to handle tough messes without breaking a sweat. Plus, the freestanding design means you can easily put it down when you need to grab something else, which I found immensely helpful. This matters for you because it makes cleaning less of a chore and more efficient. However, some users reported finding the touchscreen a bit sensitive. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the convenience it offers outweighs any initial learning curve. It's a minor issue that doesn't take away from the overall performance. This is perfect for you if you need a vacuum that can perform various tasks and adapt to your cleaning needs. Skip this if you have young kids who might accidentally mess with the touch screen. The value for money here is fantastic, especially given the features. Lastly, if you're looking for something even more specialized, the final product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, PowerClean FurGuard Cordless Vacuum. Finally, we have the PowerClean FurGuard Cordless Vacuum, which is a unique offering with a self-cleaning brush roll and strong suction. While I don't have a price on this one, it has already sold over 5,000 units. If you're looking for a vacuum that takes care of itself and is built for pet owners, this is one to consider. The self-cleaning brush roll is a standout feature, as it means less maintenance for you. Nobody enjoys dealing with tangled hair, and this vacuum promises to solve that problem. The strong suction power ensures that you can pick up dirt and pet hair easily, making your cleaning routine smoother. This matters for you because it saves time and effort, which is especially valuable for busy households. That said, some users have expressed concerns about the battery life and whether it can handle larger homes effectively. Here's my take. If you live in a smaller space or don't mind recharging frequently, the self-cleaning feature may be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a vacuum that minimizes your maintenance while still handling pet hair well. Skip this one if you have a large home and need a vacuum that can go the distance on a single charge. Considering it's designed for pet owners, it presents good value in that niche. Now, as we wrap up, let's look at how these vacuums compare. So to recap, we've covered the LVAC 200, iX141, Dyson V8 Plus, Uesogi X9 Turbo, and PowerClean FurGuard. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dyson V8 Plus because it strikes an amazing balance between power and versatility. The one to avoid, the iX141 for its weight if you need something lighter. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.